Okay, so let's try this again. My video is not moving as fast as the audio, so the audio went way past my pictures and everything. So anyway, that strip is as washi tape, and then I did stitching over that. All of those washi tapes are Freckle Fawn except for this heart one on the left. That is from a past tip kit. And then those two stickers, circle stickers, are from Echo Park Friends Forever sticker sheet that I purchased from Tuesday Morning a while ago. And then that chipboard, I think that's a, no, I think that's from the kit, from the same sticker sheet too. I was thinking it looked like a chipboard. So that polka dot layer that I'm inking is from Dear Lizzie, Stargazer, Make-A-Wish. That floral layer is from my stash. It is Studio Calico 7 paper, Goldie. And then I have a scrap of the wood grain. And then that green layer is from the kit. It is our September kit. It's Maggie Holmes Carousel. I thought about coloring in the florals on the reverse side, but I decided I liked the green side for this particular layout. So I'm going to start layering my papers. Now I just put that little strip behind my photo, or underneath my photo, as a layer at the top and bottom, I believe. No, just at the top. And that Project Life card is 4x6, and it is from a past tip kit, Project Life add-on kit. I've got so many of them now that I quit subscribing to purchasing the Project Life add-on kits. And the chipboard stickers are Maggie Holmes notes and things from past kits as well. And then once I get those adhered down right, that is also today is the day, and that also is from the same Maggie Holmes. And then that completes this layout. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.